Well, all new at 5, the Todd MJ Schnitt versus Bubba the Love Sponge civil case seems to have turned from being a shock-jock war to a battle between attorneys. This as both sides continue to file documents in court. Our John Thomas joins us now from the outside of the courthouse. All right, John, what now?
Oh, you know, this is really what you said. The focus no longer is on MJ or Bubba. It's on their attorneys as they go to the war. And this is the latest shot right now. It was filed yesterday. We just got our hands on these documents today. This is a motion for a new trial from MJ's legal team.
When this thing was a setup by the Diaco firm and Mr. Herring.
And that's just it. In their filing, the MJ legal team brings up the connection between the Diaco's paralegal, Melissa Personius, drinking with MJ attorney Phil Campbell, and then insisting that he drive her car only to be pulled over by TPD, who, according to the supervisor of the TPD DUI squad, Sergeant Raymond Fernandez, was contacted by an attorney from the Diaco firm to look out for a man driving that vehicle, which led to Phil Campbell's briefcase ending up in Diaco's possession for a period of time. So MJ's legal team really wants to know, what did the Diacos know and when did they know it? Specifically, Stephen Diaco, who took the stand and pled the fifth at times. I spoke to the attorney representing Stephen Diaco. His name is Lee Gunn. I spoke to him on the phone, and he told me that Stephen Diaco took a lie detector test to prove to everyone that he has nothing to hide and that he is now willing to answer any questions that the judge deems necessary. But what was released from the lie detector test was just 2 questions on the briefcase and nothing on the alleged setup. And when I asked if we could see all the results of Stephen Diaco's lie detector test, Gunn told me it would not be released because of personal privacy issues.
Joseph Diaco and I, who were the ones that were in the well trying the case, had no knowledge of this and played by the rules.
For his part, Greg Hearing, who represented Bubba along with the Diaco firm and who is now acting as spokesperson, sees all this as a last desperate attempt by the MJ legal team to get a redo on the case. Even so, he has preserved all his phone records and believes the Diacos, Joseph and Stephen, have done the same, because if they did not...
If you're asked to preserve something, there can be a presumption that you didn't preserve it because there was something there you didn't want people to see.
John Thomas, ABC Action News.